In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Angel TV app on Android. We'll use the official Google Play method so it's quick, safe, and simple, and I'll walk you through each tap so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, make sure your phone meets the basic requirements. You'll need a device running Android 8.0 or higher, a Google account signed in on your phone, and an active internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection is ideal to avoid using mobile data and to help the download complete faster. If your device is older or low on storage, clearing a little space beforehand can help the installation go smoothly. There are a couple of similar apps out there, so we're focusing on the one you want for streaming movies and shows. Look for the app titled Angel TV and Movies. This is the main streaming app that features a library of films and series, including popular titles. Keeping the exact name in mind will help you pick the right one in search results. Now, let's get it. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If prompted to sign in, use your Google account so you can access and download apps from the store. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Angel TV and Movies. Entering the full name helps filter out lookalikes. When the results appear, locate the app that exactly matches that title. You should see the app page with the name clearly displayed along with the install button. Tap Install to begin. The Play Store will download the files and then install the app automatically. You'll see a progress indicator. Just keep your device connected to the internet and let it finish. If your phone asks for any routine confirmations from Google Play, go ahead and approve them. Because you're using the official store, the process is secure and verified. That's all there is to it. After installation completes, the app is ready on your device and you'll see it added to your app list. From here, you can explore the catalog of movies and shows at your convenience. If at any point the download seems slow, staying on Wi-Fi and keeping the screen awake can help it wrap up more quickly. And remember, using the exact app title, Angel TV and Movies, ensures you get the intended streaming experience on your Android device.